All right, guys, some very quick Chromebook news, Google news. It appears that supposedly Chromebooks or Google is going to be developing their own chips and CPUs for Chromebooks and maybe getting back into the tablet market. You guys may know that Google exited the tablet market a couple years ago. But as more people are being stuck at home, working from home, they are looking for affordable ways to get connected, and Chromebooks are excellent. Now, considering there is a chip shortage, this is definitely good news for consumers. So if you're looking to buy a Chromebook, Chromebook sales, they are crushing it. Don't tell the Windows users that the Chromebooks are powered by Linux. You might scare them, so we'll just make this a secret just for ourselves, okay? Anyway, I'll keep abreast of all this news, but if this is true, I think this is definitely good news, again, as the chip shortage continues to not be too kind to consumers. So check out a Chromebook if you have not. That's it for this one. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.